Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and install the fine mesh screen in the bottom of your GE dishwasher. It's a very easy thing to do to remove and reinstall. There's no special tools required, it just takes a little bit of time. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So some of the reasons you'd want to remove or change or reinstall this filter is to clean it from any material or food particles that get down on the screen, which is going to affect its washability and performance. Sometimes as particles move through, if there's been anything possibly sharp or jagged that got through the large filter, it may actually damage that fine mesh screen, so you're going to have to replace the part. So the first thing we need to do is simply open the door, and we want to remove that lower rack. And then we just want to make sure we've got the spray arm aligned so it's out of our way so that we can unlock our large filter. Just rotate it counterclockwise, lift it straight out. So now we'll just set that out of the way. So now all we need to do is just to reach in and take hold of that fine mesh screen and remove it from the dishwasher. So now that we have the fine mesh screen out of the way, it's just a matter of reaching in and lifting out the fine mesh filter. So if you're looking to install the fine mesh filter, it's very easy to do. We're just going to bring it into the sump area, set it down into the well. Once that's in place, bring in the fine mesh screen, set it into place in the sump, and then finally our large particle filter down into the well, and then just rotate it backwards a little bit till you feel it drop into place, and then rotate it clockwise to the locks. And there you go. And that's how easy it is to install the fine mesh filter in your GE dishwasher.